the hardware and the software to the real questions around what Africa is, around what our nations represent, around what the imaginary lines drawn by the colonialists mean to us today. Are we embedding the separation or using those as bridges towards each other? Finally, enjoy Nairobi. Nairobi is the only city in the world where just behind you, you will be enjoying animals in their most natural, unspoiled, untouched habitat with the skyline of the capital city. We have a vibrant nightlife, we have a vibrant economy, and more than that, very warm and endearing people. Thank you very much and feel most welcome to Nairobi County. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Allow me to invite the Executive Chairman of the ID for Africa movement, His Excellency Dr. Joseph Atik, to come and make a few remarks. Thank you and welcome.
Your Excellency President Ruto, esteemed ministers from Kenya, as well as state ministers from Niger, Ethiopia, Gabon, and DR Congo, distinguished guests and attendees, good morning. All protocols observed. On behalf of the ID for Africa movement, I'd like to sincerely thank you, Your Excellency, for taking time from your busy schedule this morning to be with us. I also like to thank you for the assistance and facilitation that you provided us through all the Kenyan government agencies that are part of the local organizing committee for the